Hi guys, Miss Simon here. I just wanted to give you an update on things going on with my life and just give you an idea of what this week's going to look like. So, as far as my life, I am bored out of my mind in quarantine. I miss you guys. I say that every week, and I feel like it's just even more apparent. I miss the routine of seeing you guys every single day. So, I have been reading, I've been watching some shows, I've been going for walks with my dogs, trying to keep busy, but I do miss you guys. So I hope you're well. This week is week 3. We are on our way to being done. The summer is in a couple weeks. Well, 8 weeks, whatever. But this week is quite a bit of work, and I'm sorry. We have a lot of stuff to get through, and I really want to get to the fun stuff like tornadoes and hurricanes and all of that. And so we have to get through this week so we can get to tornadoes and hurricanes and cool tropical storms. I've had a couple people ask, you're not doing your project. You don't need to worry about it. Just make sure that you are doing your work every week and submitting your assignments. And I'm going to start making some phone calls to kids who I haven't heard from or whose parents I haven't heard from. This week, you have an orange folder that says Week 3 Remote Learning. You have another discussion board about positives of your week. I'm trying to really focus on the positives here. I do this in my life every day. Mr. Donovan and I used to do 3 positives every day. And it feels good to start your day that way. So I want to start our week that way. Then you need to click the air pressure lesson 1 folder, and you're going to watch all the videos. Mr. Donovan recorded some notes videos. There's a Bill Nye at the very bottom, and I will go through this on a screencast so you know. At the very bottom, you're going to see a PhET simulation. There's a video that shows why the PhET simulation applies to what we're learning, and then you're going to get to play with the PhET simulation. Mr. Donovan's making his students turn in that assignment. I really don't care if you turn in that assignment. I really do care if you do the discussion board Flipgrid. So my biggest concern is, did you get the class assignment done? I care less about the PhET simulation. So if you want to do it and you want extra credit, cool, you do you. But if not, then just play with the PhET simulation and understand what's going on. I'd rather you manipulate the program and understand what's going on than try to fill out a worksheet. And I'd rather you actually get some hands-on activity. It's kind of a lab. Then you're going to click on the clouds. There's a video on clouds. There's some games. There's some fun stuff. And then the very last thing you're going to do, and it's due Sunday at midnight, is you're going to either do a Flipgrid or a discussion board. Now, a lot of you were confused, and I felt like I had to answer the same questions 1,200 times. You're not doing both. You're doing one or the other. So you either do the Flipgrid or you do the discussion board, okay? And the discussion board is just there for those of you who are not comfortable filming yourselves, are not comfortable in front of the camera. I'm super uncomfortable right now in front of the camera. I hate this. I don't get to be me, and it feels very weird. But so I would have chosen to do the discussion board. Post that by Sunday at midnight. I will send out a reminder email halfway through the week that is your assignment due. I will also be emailing your parents and letting them know as well. Please let me know what's going on. If I haven't heard from you, if you're one of the kids that you just checked in, just email me. Make sure I know you're alive and well. I really worry about you guys. I know this is hard on you. It's hard on us. Nobody has ever done anything like this before, and we're a support and we're a Horizon community. And if you need anything academically, I don't care if it's in regards to science, please, please, please reach out. This week, you're going to go into your science lessons, Remote Learning 2020, and this green folder. So when you're in the folder, you'll notice that there is a Google Doc that has all of your activities. If you're one of those people who likes to check things off, print this out. These are all the videos you're watching and games you're playing. And then these are the assignments. You notice how I wrote or here. On Friday or by Friday, please post a response to the Flipgrid or the week 3 discussion board response. The reason I'm giving you 2 options is not everybody is comfortable filming themselves on Flipgrid. So I want to make sure you do one or the other. And I said that earlier in this video. So make sure that this is just kind of showing you where. If we go back into this folder, 3 positives. I'm really trying to start our week like that. So please respond. I try to read them and respond to them. Then you're going to click air pressure. And you're going to either you're going to watch all of these videos. And this one I took off. It's a lab that we don't have materials for. You're going to watch all these videos, and then you're going to play this PhET simulation. Now, Mr. Donovan is making his kids do the worksheet with it. I will give you extra credit if you do it. If you don't do it, I am not going to penalize you. I would rather you manipulate the properties here and see what happens then go and make you do a bunch of extra busy work. So you're going to go do that. Once you're done, you'll go back to air pressure. Make sure you've watched all the videos. If you want to do this extra credit assignment, that's fine. And then you will go on to clouds. Now, clouds, there are cloud formation video that Mr. Donovan made. There are 2 games that are really fun to play. And then there's a reading, and you need to take notes. So for all of these videos, I recommend taking notes. The best part about videos is you can pause them, and taking notes will allow you to do your discussion board. If you don't take notes, I'm not grading your notes. However, I will be able to tell because your discussion board probably won't be so well written, thought out, have a lot of evidence to support. Same with your Flipgrid response. So you're doing one or the other one. You're not doing both. If you do both, you're great. You're amazing. What a great student. But I am only grading one of them. If you have any questions, you can email me, or I provided your parents with an office number to reach me at. I'm having a hard time getting my phone calls from my work phone. They're not forwarding to our phones, so do not call the number on the website. Ask your parents. There's a separate office number I created, so you can contact me and they can call me if they have any questions or concerns. I hope this helps. I hope this helps show you guys where to go. And I hope you have a wonderful week. I know it's a lot, but we got to get through it in order to get to the fun stuff. Next week, we're going to do tornadoes, a whole week on tornadoes. And then we're going to do hurricanes. And then we're going to do other cool extreme weather events. So there's some cool stuff coming up. And this is kind of the last of the content that we have to get through. Have a wonderful week, guys. Bye.